Hello, everyone, and welcome, and have a fantastic day. Today there is what is it around? It PPI? Is it CPI? What is it? Well, I don't know, but I hope you can tell me something because it is going to be fun. That PPI is coming out both month on month, year over year. Core and headline is coming out in about I don't know, 10 minutes or so, 11 minutes or so. So, in the meantime, I hope that you have found your popcorn, you have found your things, and you are ready to roll. By the way, this is not financial investment. Do not trade. This is risky. Don't listen to me. Look at this as you're watching, well, I don't know, not your mother, but Netflix. We are going to have a great time, and then I can lose money, but you're not allowed to because you're not allowed to. Okay, cool, great. So, actually, I did something and then I forgot to do it. Fair. Technically, it doesn't work today, but okay, sorry. Hi, Dexter. Eating my fingers, currently buying yours with. Ooh, it's spicy. You are spicy out there. Okay, cool. Great. I love it. Is there anyone that has answered the poll today? For most of you guys are like medium traders. You're break even. You're good to go. Nobody's unstoppable. Okay, that's good. Okay. Hi, Jylene. Hope you are doing great, by the way. I'm just trying to find out where Facebook is coming from. That would be great because. Okay, it's from here. Okay, cool. So say, oh. Okay. Okay. Cool. Sorry, it was my wife. So family first, and then trading. Okay, we can do trade now. Okay, good. Okay. What is the distribution for today? What is the market expecting for the US PPI today? I think the overall one is what 3.4 or something in that direction. Yeah. But there is both sides. There is both higher and lower. That is the one that I'm looking at, and then we have core PPI that is 38, which seems to be 50-50 between 3.8 and you can see it. Sorry, my face is in the way. I'm sorry. I have a big head. 3.8 and 3.7. So okay, cool. Can I move my face somewhere else, please? Can somebody move my face? Camera. No. Not really. Oh, Jesus Christ, I don't know what to make. Okay, cool, great. Nope. Okay, we'll just have to stand there then. Okay, fair enough. Sorry. It's a long time since I've been on OBS, but there we go. How's your Swissy going, Dexter, by the way? Did you buy it, you said? Okay. You are one crazy person. Aren't the markets becoming less and less efficient? I would even argue. No, Sammy. Not really. I feel like there's more and more volatility and harder to trade. One thing else. So yeah, I think that is. I don't know if it's less efficient per se, but I feel like like for example in yen pairs today we did like a bit of a quite bullish run, and then now everything is dropping hard like a ton of bricks. But yeah, I don't know, maybe somewhere in between. Cool. Let's move you here, and then you can here, and then we can go over here with everyone. And then economics, I want to see how many times moments we have left. We have 7 minutes left. As I said, expecting 3.8. Last time was 3.4. That is very... So anything above 3.6 is good for dollar. And 3.4, last one was 3... Anything above 3.2. Even though 3.6 and that direction is much better. We can't have everything, people. We can't have everything. But yeah. I think that's kind of the expectations, and then we have the monthly budget later, and Schmid and William speaking later. So, okay, we have some meat on the bone. In the meantime, we have Australian dollar falling a bit this morning, or this afternoon. We have Euro having a bit of a bearish day, by the end of the day at least. And then we have Pound that is also dropping a bit. So, you know... I had a meeting early this morning, and I was like, I don't want to sell now. And now I'm getting what I want. So I guess it is what it is. Okay, there we go. Good transition. Now I've moved my face successfully. Boom. Cool. So what are you guys looking at other than your Swissy on Dexter? What's your best trade for this week? Do I have a trade on it? I really want to buy dollar Swissy. If dollar becomes bullish, this one has the most potential, I would argue. So that's kind of what I'm looking most forward to. So yeah, that's kind of where I am. Dollar Swissy because dollar is becoming more hawkish. Swissy because it's bearish and cutting rates and having 0.6 of an inflation. So yeah. Don't let me talk myself away. I need to have my phone somewhere so that I can trade. Oops, and then we have empty 4 here. Yeah, good. Good. Hi. Yeah, good. How are you? Are you dead? Am I dead? Or am I alive? Okay, so there is 1 like on this stream. I love it. 11 of you, 10 other of you, you need to tell me what I should do so I can impress you. Okay, all right. For the poll, I'm going to end it. 6 votes only, but most of those who has voted say they are break-even. Some of them are beginners, and somebody is also unstoppable. Right, great. Thank you very much for participating in the poll, that I know what we should focus on. Break-even traders. Okay, what is break-even traders struggling with? Trade entries, mentality. Should we have a sell on euro before we go? That would be maybe more funnier than anything else. But and there something disappeared. Okay, cool, fine. Okay, let me be a bit crazy here. I want a euro dollar short, stop loss 103. No, too close. 103.50. Not financial advice whatsoever. Don't do it like me. It's stupid. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 135. Yeah, that should be enough. Okay, I sold current price, which is 102.46. Don't do it like me, but we'll see. 2 minutes before, 1 minute before. So I have my short here. I have my stop loss 103.50 or so. Oh, it's 100 pips. God, okay. And then back down to the same level at 102. Pump and dump. Yeah, probably. So we'll see how much we get out of it. I am currently 20% of normal lot size. So I'm at 0.02 lot size. So if I lose, I'll lose what? $20? I don't care. It's so little I can buy coffee more than that. So don't worry. Don't worry about me. Okay, we are ready. We are good. We are set up for success. No. What's that one? Thank you very much, sir. Then I want financial juice there. Nothing else. Okay. Ready for a liftoff, people? Okay. Time is 27, so 30 seconds left. I'll be actually against you. Dexter, that's my man. Oh, I love it. I love it. Oh, this is gambling. This is risky. Don't do it. For crying out loud, mate. Don't do it. All right. I'm just gonna change my order to TP 02. Went higher. We went higher. What is going on? What is going on? What is it? 3.5. $3.3 is falling. I was horribly right. No, I wasn't. All right, cool. I was wrong. I'll exit. Wait. I'm thinking. 2 seconds. Should I exit? 3.3 is less than expected, but still higher than last time. Initially, we are falling. So if dollar goes below the 109.33, I'm getting out. Let's have a look around the world. This is yen pairs, dollar pairs, sorry. Dollar pairs. Dollar is slightly a bit, I see it a bit higher. Euro, slightly higher, not much even. British pound, ever so slightly a bit higher. Dollar index, not really much, not really much. New Zealand dollar, a bit higher. Okay, okay, we are somewhere. Okay, yen pairs, falling a bit, falling a bit, falling a bit, falling a bit. That is Aussie dollars. That should be pound yen, actually. So, thank you very much. That drops a bit, drops a bit, drops a bit, drops a bit. Okay, cool. That is an interesting reaction, people, by the way. Interesting reaction. Dollar weakness has arrived ever so slightly. I am, as I said, if it goes below, I need to have a ticker there, probably, like an alert. Then we can start. Okay. Let's go in and see the full report. That would actually be very fascinating and horrible and funny for me and not for you. But final demand was 0.2 month of a month, seasonally adjusted. We had increased to 3.3, but less than expected. Okay. Yeah. Final demand index for final demand goods rose 0.6 in December, third consecutive advance. So, what is the theory here? First of all, we still have added demand. We still have higher PPIs. We still are not out of the woods. Dexter, did you get anything out of it? Did you get your small pips here and there? So there is added reasons for why Fed shouldn't be so dovish. Core CPI is 3.5, expected 3.8. So that is a miss of 0.3 negative. So, and then they've revised previous from 3.4 to 3.5. So is practically actually same as last time, core PPI actually. So that is okay, cool. Again, do I only have one like on the stream with 10 people being here, 12 people being here? Was that I was gambling my money. I was gambling $20 for you guys to have some kind of fun today, but okay. We will do some fun tomorrow then. I don't know what the fun is tomorrow. Is CPI tomorrow, but yeah. Euro dollar's coming back down again, ever so slightly. Dollar is going a bit higher again. Rethinking. The reaction was less than expected. I actually expected more than anything else, because the market reacted as it reacted. Sorry, the number is as the market reacted. Is a bit more bearish for dollar, slightly, ever so slightly, because it's less than expectation, but still it's higher than expected. So, okay, we're still dollar bullish overall. It still is the overall direction, and this doesn't change. This does not help any bearish dollar. It's just a short-term volatility thing. So yeah, okay, cool. Okay, let me go and see, what am I now on? Oh, actually, I'm almost back to break even again. That is patience. Is dollar going back up again? Ooh, okay. Okay, what am I now? I am ever so slightly in loss. I was supposed to double check what we're supposed to be doing here. Okay, cool. 13%. Okay, 13 pips. Yeah, I'll go in profit. I will be in profit. We are manifesting profit in this group, hey? Profit. Okay, actually not too bad. Okay, so let's do YouTubes. All right, I'll go through some pairs. You tell me what pair you want me to go through, and then we'll end it in 20 minutes. Sorry, I need to go out for a walk. But yeah, so ladies and gentlemen, we are dollar bullish for following reasons: higher PPIs, higher NFP, higher PMIs, higher general direction of the market. Okay, that is good. So that's why I took the trade. Generally, I expect it to be a bit higher, and I expect euro dollar to continue either now or later to continue the bearish trend. That means that we might be a bit bearish, we might be a bit low, it might not be making a new lower low after this or by tomorrow, but what is important is to stay on your fundamental bias. What is it? I don't know what that is for you, but for me it's bullish dollar. That means any dollar crosses that is bearish, which most of them are, except for dollar CAD and dollar Swissy, because they are opposites. Where dollar is strong, that is what I'm going for. Now, if I go over to dollar yen, which has been the same as this other one, strong and weak at the same time as dollar, we haven't really moved much. So I've said if it goes higher, if it makes a new higher high, we will so maybe look into buy it. Okay, we may look into. Another one that I have previously or earlier talked about is okay, what we have earlier talked about is dollar Swissy. Dollar Swissy is one of my favorite things I want to trade. Can somebody tell me about the quality of the stream, by the way? I can see it's buffering a bit because I put on ultra low. That would maybe not a good move, and I should probably have bought dollar Swissy on this move, but should we? It's drying up, so okay, this is fun. Range, so I should have paid attention, but I really want to spit on there. Yeah, okay. I said before the stream, or during the stream, sorry, beginning of it, that this is what I'm looking for. This is what I want. In the meantime, we can kind of get what we want. We are about 30-40 pips away from where I want my enter to be. So that kind of discourages me for taking a trade in that bullish direction. I don't know how far and how long we're gonna go higher, but again, I took one fun trade with euro, and then this dollar Swiss is more serious trade, and it needs a bit more serious entry rules, and this is what I'm looking for. So if that comes today or tomorrow, Ryan van der Putten says euro yen isn't a good place to buy. Yeah, okay. Thank you very much for mentioning that. That is of interest. Should we put a buy on euro, people? Oh, yeah. It didn't make a lower low. Aussie yen didn't make a lower low. Pound yen made a low. New Zealand yen. Okay, alright. Okay, so back to central pivot back. My only problem here, sir, and it's always going to be my problem, that's the area of portability, and we have about 72 pips of potential entries where stop loss should be, in my case, at least below current low, which is 100, 200, 122 pips away. So it's expensive to be late. And then the target for the week is only 149. So we're almost 1-to-1 on New Zealand yen. On euro yen, we are ever so slightly a bit better, probably. So we have 160, 170 pips stop loss. Can we do that, people? Is that within where we want to be? Maybe ever so slightly so. I want this to drop a bit more, to be honest with you. If it makes a higher high, I can then use that, and then I'm back to like 60 pips or so. That's a bit more, but right now my stop loss would be down here because we haven't made a higher low-ish here, but this is too close for this one to be coughing volatility, and then I'm out for whatever reason that is. So Aussie yen, okay, let us have some patience on it. If it makes a higher high, then alright, I'll do it. Van der Putten, you are my man. Are you in my Discord? If you're on my Discord, then I'm not selling anything, by the way. It's just that, accountability. So by tomorrow, we have a meeting tomorrow morning as well, or a live stream in New York, but London open tomorrow. Or within then, if euro yen comes lower, I want you to tell me, or I want you guys to be like, hey, come on, boys, you are the accountability man. And if you ask me tomorrow, Ivan, have you traded or not, then I can tell you if I haven't. So there is that. Trading grid. Hello from A1 Trading. That's alright. Welcome very much from A1 Trading. It's just that London Open meetings are Zooms, so they are posted in Discord, not on YouTube. That's all. Nothing more. Nothing more than that. But okay, cool. Euro yen, I want us to have a bit of a chill pill there, waiting a bit more. Okay, fair enough. Nothing too great, nothing too much. Euro dollar is coming back into profit. Come on. Okay, almost there. Almost muted. Are we going to be in a trade until tomorrow morning, people? Are we sitting here until tomorrow and then we're going to be known if we're going to be in profit or not? PPI was higher than expected, and euro tomorrow, and CPI tomorrow, sorry, and then we have UK CPI in the morning. Ooh, it's going to be fun. Pound is way weaker. Aussie, a bit stronger, actually. New Zealand, a bit stronger. This, my friend, is not necessarily a bullish reversal. Because if I go and check what retail is currently doing, and I bet this is a higher low for them. And it probably is. But more times than not, it is not. And it has not been there, it has not been here, and it has not been there. It has not been a higher low. So if I go to retail sentiment, and I go to New Zealand dollar, US dollar, They are 71% of retail is buyers. Correct. Meaning most of them are currently in losses. So if I go over to my FX book on the Outlook and I can show you guys what I see and what I mean. Of course, all this commercial, I hate it. Can somebody kick out the commercial? Can somebody like, I even said so. Because I am so strong. What did I click now? Är det möjligt liksom? Come on. Control F New Zealand US dollar. Does it work? No? Nothing? Okay. Then we just have to scroll like idiots. There we go. Yeah, and they are almost 300 pips in loss. Can you imagine almost 300 pips in loss? On average. Buying. So that means that they bought where the peak or something in that direction? Like up there. They bought up there. And they didn't take the stop loss yet. Oof, that's horrible. But okay, sorry. That's where my 2025 is going to be. When the trend is lower, when you make a new lower low, in particularly here, there is your signal of death. There is no more hope. And whatever your strategies retail traders are using to get in and not out of a trade, I don't know. But we need to do serious education because that is not acceptable to be holding 300 pips in loss and hoping by Jesus and Maria is going to come back and help you out of a trade with 300 pips stop loss. Where's your profits, bruv? Where's your profits? And I don't believe that 300 pips loss a 300 pips stop loss is healthy for a retail trader. A big one, a hedge fund, I wouldn't care. I wouldn't bother. I wouldn't budge. A lot more money. But if you have $30 per micro lots or those lots, if that's what you have per trade and then you have a barcode, okay, we need to do better, people. All right, talk to people in the back. Get out of your trades if you have substantial loss. Get back into objective, realistic trading where you have done this setup many times before. For example, this one is say, hey, I have done this setup many times before. I will buy, I will sell because of A, B, C, D, because I've tried this before, I've done this before. Okay? And I know 7 out of 10 times I'm going to be profitable. So, and in my case, I'm going to be 7 out of 10 profitable selling that thing. Or selling that thing. Or selling that thing. But there might be times I'm wrong, which is 3 out of 10 times or more. But it depends on the setup and the currency. We can do that. And me losing how many dollars would it be? 100 pips at $20. It doesn't matter to me. It doesn't matter. Go talk to somebody else. I'm not going to give you any emotions about it. All right, cool. So there is that. Aussie yens, CAD yens, Euro yen, New Zealand yen. I want to buy it, but still not where I want them to be. Dollar CHF. I have to wait until London tomorrow actually on it. It's not where I want. It's not as low as I want it to be. I want the dollar to be bearish, to be honest with you. So, because then I could get a better entries on euro dollar and dollar Swiss. So, okay, cool. I've asked for what kind of trade ideas you guys have. I haven't seen anything yet. That would be great if there was. But yeah, I'm yen bearish. I'm dollar bullish. I am S&P 500 bullish. And this has made S&P 500 go a bit higher. Okay, cool. Great. Good stuff. Maybe we should put a... Nah, okay, I'll wait for it. But new higher high, higher low. That might be tonight. That might be tomorrow morning. That is definitely what I'm looking for. I've had my pullback. That is good enough for me. I didn't take it because we look at something else. Doesn't really matter to me. But if it makes a new higher high today, then I'm great. I'll take it. And it's very aggressive. Again, stop loss below here. That's where everyone else takes it. And then when the market goes down there, then we go higher. So even though you look at this one like this is high or sorry, this is low, we're gonna go higher. Believe me when I say that market will hunt you, and that's where your entry is, or this is where your entry is supposed to be. Because when you think there is manipulation and stop hunt, there probably is. So you do that too. So I want to see a clear pullback on dollar pairs for another sell opportunity confidently. All right, cool. That is everything that I wanted to say to you today. I have not had any ads on it, so I hope you have enjoyed and hope you have given it a like, and I hope that you have given a bit of more information, maybe a bit some humor, maybe some entertainment. That's my point at least. Anyways, we'll see you guys all tomorrow, hopefully, and until next time, boom.